In Sanskrit, it is called as samsara. The theory of reincarnation, the theory of life and death, called as rebirth, correct? Now, this theory was propounded by the scholars of Hinduism. It's nowhere mentioned in the Vedas. Why? Because they could not justify. Some people are born deaf, some people born rich, some people born in a poor family, some people are born healthy, some people congenital heart disease. How can God be unjust? So they couldn't justify, so they came with the philosophy of death, life, karma and dharma. Karma is the deed, action, dharma is the law. So what justification? How can God be unjust? How can a person be born with a heart disease? Last life, he did some sin. This was a philosophy assumption by the scholars of Hinduism, not by Vedas. So then they came with this philosophy, and they say that if you do good deeds, in your next life, you will be born of a higher degree. And the universal brotherhood of Hinduism is all living creatures are brotherhoods. So maybe you're born sometime as a cockroach, sometime as a rat, sometime as a cat, sometime as a dog, sometime as human being. Human being is the highest level. So if you do good deeds, you're born high. If you do bad deeds, you're born lower. Fine? And you're born as a human being 7 times. How many times? 7. This is the philosophy of the Hindu scholars, called as samsara.